Yeah, this boy look nice.
Dude, Cole back with another video. I'm in a good move. It's a good day. Right now I'm up at Suburban of Farmington Hills. Just talked to my man Jason. He gave me the keys to the 2020 Destroyer Gray RT Durango. So we about to do a little review on it. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. I want to get the Hellcat one if I can get it. You know, we're gonna keep our fingers crossed. But I'm about to give y'all a review on this Durango, tell y'all what I think about it, let y'all check it out and everything like that. So without further ado, let's go with this thing and drive. Got a nice size screen in here though. Gauge look pretty cool. Let's go for a drive. Fix my rear view mirror. There you go. Chrysler Dodge Jeep with Farmington Hills. That's where we at. Test this boy out, man. I feel big in here already. I feel like tall. Let's go. See how this boy out, man. Got a little stab to it already. I ain't even pressed on the pedal like that, man. I swear these birds act like they own the road. Can y'all see them? I swear they act like they own the road, man. They don't even run. They take their time crossing. Like, you gotta wait for them, though. That's crazy. They like Incredible Hulk or something. Literally gotta wait for them, though. But yeah, again, we in the 2021 Dodge Durango RT Destroyer Gray. About to check it out. I drove a Durango before. I don't remember if it was an RT or not. I think it was a basic model, but it's a 2021, so this is a new one. Pull it somewhere. Let y'all check it out. Actually, it's like a good spot over here, so we're gonna pull over here. Here, ducked off. Gonna check this boy out, man. All right. Out the hood. So we're gonna start with the inside. I actually like it, man. It's spacious too. So black interior with the red trimming through the seats. Got the symbol in the middle of the seats. Like I say, this is a nice size screen. I don't know what size it is, but this screen would look more sweeter if it was in like a Scat Pack or something. I wouldn't mind having this screen inside my Scat Pack. Like the dash, not that bad either though. I like how it looked. It almost looked like the Jeep in the inside as far as the dash a little bit. But seats good. Seats feel good. Heated seats. Let's check it out. Second row of seats. Got your little temperature thing right here for you to control yourself. It's the view from the second row. Clean in here too, man. Got a little cup holder. Slide this seat back. Got the third row seat. And this slide up too, so if somebody was back here, you still got enough space to, you know, kind of be relaxed back here and not really crammed up. But third row seat's pretty comfortable too. So I'm not that tall. I'm probably about 5'4", 5'5". I still got a decent amount of room right here. If I lift this seat up, then I can be a little bit more comfortable, but still not that bad. Just a view all the way from the third row, so pretty sweet. I actually like this, man. I wouldn't mind getting the RT, even though I want the Hellcat when it come out, but I wouldn't mind having this RT as a second backup or just a second vehicle, but a truck since I got a car. Like I said, this is the Destroyer Gray Hemi boy. This color's sick too, man. RT. Dual exhaust. Yeah, this color's sweet, man. Clean too. Rims okay. I probably would change those if I was to keep it. Let's open this door up, see how it looks with both the doors open. Check it out with the doors open. Yeah, this boy look nice. Fog lights on here. Got the vents at the top, one in the middle, kind of like the Scat Pack. Got two little vents on the top of it. That's pretty sweet. They should have that on the Scat Pack too. I'm saying they should have everything on the Scat Pack. But this boy is sweet, man. Destroyer Gray 2021 Dark. Okay, I'm back. I gotta start charging my phone, man. My battery died. So I'm back, man. 2021 Durango Hemi RT, fully loaded. Like I said, here's those snorkels at the top, or the vents, which is pretty sweet. Destroyer Gray is the color. Let's check out the hood. Motor look big too. 5.7 V8. It look bigger though. I seen a V8 before, but this one just looked bigger for some reason. But V8 Hemi boy. Destroyer Gray 2021 Durango. Dodge Durango. Pulling back up at Suburban of Farmington Hills to drop the Durango back off that I just did a review on. For you guys who don't know, they may be getting a SRT in, and he'll let me do a review on the SRT when we get it.